Welcome back to a new episode of Fitness Insight with Pio. Today feels different. It's the last day of the year, and before we rush into goals, plans, and resolutions, I want us to take a pause. This year wasn't easy for most of us. Some of you started strong and stopped midway. Some of you didn't start at all. Not because you were lazy, but because life was heavy. And if you are listening to this thinking, I didn't do enough this year, this episode is for you. Let me say this clearly. Surviving a hard year is also an achievement. Maybe you didn't lose weight. Maybe you didn't follow the plan. Maybe you kept starting and stopping. But you're still here. You're listening. Still hoping things can be better. That matters. Before we walk about this new year and we get into this new year, ask yourself, did I show up even on tired days? Did I try again after giving up? Did I carry my family, my work, my emotions silently? Most women don't quit because they don't care. They quit because they're tired of carrying everything alone. So today, I don't want you to judge this year. I want you to think and thank yourself for getting through it. I want to share something personal, a message from the past version of me. This is written in my diary. Hi Piyu, this is me from a time when things felt heavy, from a time when consistency felt impossible and self doubt was loud. I want you to remember this. You were trying, even when it didn't look perfect. You kept choosing movement, and even when motivation was missing, you kept trying. You learned to rest without guilt. You learned to start again without shame. You didn't chase perfection, you chose progress slowly. If you ever feel stuck, remember where you started. Remember how far you have already come. Keep going. Not because it's easy, but because you deserve a life where you feel strong inside and out. And ladies, if this message felt like it was written for you, then it was. Looking forward to the new year, let's talk about it. Let's think about it. Not with pressure, not with unrealistic promises. This year, I want you to set one clear goal. Just one. Not I'll be perfect, but I'll be consistent in my own way. For me, my biggest goal this year is simple. I want to complete 12 books, one book every month. Mostly self help books. Not to rush, but to learn and grow. Everything else comes after that. Yes, I want to grow my YouTube and start live sessions. Yes, I want to be more active on Instagram. But my priority is discipline in small things because that's where real change starts. As we step into the new year, I want you to remember this. You don't need a new body, you don't need a new life. You just need a new way of being kinder to yourself. Move your body because you respect it. Rest when you need to. Start again as many times as it takes. I'll be right here with you, guiding, learning, growing, and starting again too. This was Fitness Insight with you. And if no one told you this today, you are doing better than you think.